It has been recorded that 43% of millennials have no idea where to begin in the stock market. To solve this problem, I created StockUp. StockUp is an app that beginners can use to build their knowledge about the stock market. This app is made with React Native and uses external library called React Native Charts, along with a stock API to retrieve the price data. StockUp also provides a calculator feature where users can enter their investment budget and it will advise them how and where they should invest their money, but more on that later. Here on the home screen is a list of the top performing stocks from the current week. It is very important for beginner investors to know which companies are performing well and why. So here, if the user taps on any stock, it will give them an explanation as to why the stock is performing well, along with the stock chart for the current week. The prices of the stocks are retrieved from a stock API, which I use to calculate the percent change over the week and to display the stock chart. Moving on to the second screen of the app, this is a newsroom for investors to build their knowledge on what's going on with various companies. As you can see, this has the latest news from different companies such as Facebook, Apple, Tesla, and so on. These articles are taken from Yahoo Finance, and so when the widgets are clicked, it takes them straight to the Yahoo Finance article. Here on the last screen is the calculator that takes the amount that the investor is willing to invest and renders out information on where they should invest their money in the stock market. So for example, if the user types in say $2,000 as their budget, it will render out information about trading with the small account. So here it mainly talks about smaller companies and options trading. Now for example, if the user has a large investment budget like $20,000, it will render out information about index funds, ETFs, and blue chip companies, since these types of investments are much more safer. So to conclude, with this app, I hope to help beginners start investing and build their knowledge to the point where they can make consistent passive income from the stock market.